Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the third part of our module, which is called Repair Audio Transducer. And today's topic, we are going to see how to repair a loudspeaker. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to repair a loudspeaker. And also, she will be able to differentiate different parts of a loudspeaker. As we already learned it in our first session, we have seen that a loudspeaker is an audio transducer which converts electrical signal into sound. I hope you remember that one. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take note and do a practical exercise while we are learning together. Firstly, we are going to see the main part of a loudspeaker. As you can see, before we see the main part, we have to remind ourselves about assembling and disassembling. As I told you before, assembling a loudspeaker is the process to fix together separated pieces in order to form one wall. While disassembling is the process to separate or to break down one device into many pieces. And now, as we remind ourselves about assembling and disassembling, I remind you also why you went to do assembling or disassembling any electronic device. It's better to check a manufacturer instruction in order to do it professionally. Now, we are going to see the main part of a loudspeaker. As you can see, this one is a permanent magnet. This one is a voice coil. This is a shell or dust cap. This one is a front suspension. This one is a rear suspension. As you can see, this one is a paper cone. And finally, this one is electrical signal terminals. Those are the main parts of a loudspeaker. As we finish to see together different parts of a loudspeaker, now we are going to see the common fault which occur in a loudspeaker. Firstly, there is burned coil. When the coil is burned, as we already seen it, what you have to do, as you can see at your own screen, when this coil is burned, is to replace this coil according to corresponding coil. Next fault, which mainly occur in a loudspeaker, is a damage of paper cone. If this paper cone is damaged, what you have to do is to replace it according to the corresponding one, as you can see at your own screen. You do it slowly and you replace it accordingly. And finally is when the connector damaged. When this connector of a loudspeaker is damaged, what you have to do, you have to replace this connector according to the corresponding connector. Finally, while you finish to rectify different faults of a loudspeaker, what you have to do is to test a loudspeaker. You have to do what is called functionality testing of a loudspeaker. And when the loudspeaker is responding correctly, it does mean that the task to repair a loudspeaker is accomplished. While you finish to test your loudspeaker, you have to do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to make one wall. And finally, what you have to do as a professional technician is to clean the workplace accordingly. You have to select tools, materials, and equipment required to clean the workplace, such as rags or cotton waste, cleaning brush, cleaning solution or thinner, and also you may use a blower to clean the internal part of an audio transducer. And finally, you have to manage waste materials accordingly and treat them accordingly. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called Audio Transducer. As we're running together, I hope you keep doing practical exercise in order to learn more. See you next time. Enjoy.